Let's begin the diagnostic. Your brain is an exceptionally powerful processor, but it's an absolutely terrible hard drive. It's built for processing, not for storage.
The technical term for this mental clutter is an open loop. Every single unfinished task or unresolved commitment is a background process constantly pinging your CPU.
Your native operating system is optimized for creative problem solving and having new ideas. It is fundamentally unsuited for holding on to old ones or remembering tasks.
So understand this. Your hardware isn't broken. The lag you're experiencing is a software issue. When you have too many open loops, brain.exe stops responding. Today, we install the patch.
Module 1 is our foundational upgrade, externalization. The core principle is simple and non-negotiable. Your head is for having ideas, not for holding them.
To install this, you must capture 100% of your open loops and store them in a single, trusted system outside of your brain.
Your first micro action. Tonight, perform a full memory dump. Write down every single thing that has your attention. And yes, even that idea for a cat-themed musical, especially that one.
This methodology is derived from a proven system for workflow management known as Getting Things Done, developed by David Allen.
Module 2 is the next action command. This protocol is designed to turn vague anxieties into executable code, overcoming system freezes like procrastination. A next action is not a concept or a goal. It is defined as the very next physical, visible activity required to move forward.
For example, work on report is a project. The system can't process it. Draft outline is an action. Your brain isn't a suggestion box. It's a command line.
Your second microaction, tomorrow, take one item from your list. Define its next physical action with absolute clarity, in 5 words or less.
Finally, let's install a simple but highly effective system patch. We'll call it the 2-minute patch. The rule is this: if a defined next action takes less than 2 minutes to complete, you must execute it the moment you think of it. It is simply more efficient to complete the task than it is to store and track it. This patch avoids turning a simple reply to email into an epic saga. All right, it is time to execute your next command. Let's make this practical. In the next 24 hours, pick one incomplete that has been draining your resources. Just one. Define its very next physical, visible action. And no, think about it more doesn't count.
I turned this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment.
If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more. What's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?